Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kumar, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech. Today I am going to demonstrate you 132 volt 200 ampere battery discharging tester. This machine required single phase power supply. This is an alarm indicator if any default or any system breakdown. So this alarm indicates this is a power switch and this is for switch discharge switch for discharging, and if the battery is not discharging we can switch off the MCB. In a back side for battery connections, the two terminals positive and negative, and other two terminals for V sensing, and there is a for earthing wire, and upper side is a single phase connection, and there is a RS232 and LAN cable for connecting with the software. This is the main interface of this machine. This is for testing, quick testing, monitoring the data. Here this is for data extractions. This is for software and all about the information of machine. This is for system setting. This is for cell settings if we connect with the software, and this is for help, and this is for restart. Here again this machine is going to be a restart mode. This is for alarm indication, and this is for charging and discharging system. Now we set the program. Here for modifications, room ID, cell monitoring. In the software we can communicate cell mode, communication mode for communicating with the software, and group voltage. Here we set the voltage of our battery pack. So my battery pack is greater than 50, so we set here is 72. Group ID, cell order from negative to positive, interval time for saving the data, cell voltage for as per cell, testing name, number of cells. So we have a 16 series, module 2, total capacity is 100 and set in inlet, and if we connect with the software we set here outlet. Now return and confirm. So here you can see all the 100 Ah, time, cell, group limit is for discharging it's we give a 40, current set as per you set as per your requirement, and we set at 20 amps, discharging mode, and we can monitor here, and this is for chart for all the information. Let's start. So now we start the machine. Here first open the MCB. Now my machine is starting, and it's going to be a 20 amps, and chart is also at the time interval. The chart is also showing all the information. Now my battery voltage is going to be a decrease. And here you can see this is for current. So current is going to be a 20 and voltage is going to be a drop down with time interval. Now stop. Then you see the current is going to be a 0. quick test for testing. Here also we can start. For monitoring. So this was all about this machine, 132 volt 200 ampere battery discharging system. For live demo you can come our Delhi head office and Bangalore. So thank you so much watching this video.